The Haas cabinet cooler has one job and one job only. It reduces the temperature inside the cabinet by 20 degrees, which will boost reliability and increase the life of the electrical component inside the cabinet, especially for shops located in one of the many hot regions around the globe. If the air intake filter in your cabinet cooler is clogged, that restriction will reduce the airflow, thus reduce the efficiency of the unit. Luckily, the maintenance on this unit is super simple. Every 6 months, remove the filter from the bottom of the unit and spray fresh water through the filters to clean it. Tap it dry and reinstall it. Perform this maintenance frequently if the machine is running multiple shifts per day. For more information on your cabinet cooler, visit haascnc.com, and thanks for watching.